Seeing the Indo-Chinese issues, the government of India has banned 59 Chinese apps, including the popular app TikTok. This app was not only being used by the common people but also by the television and Bollywood celebrities on a day-to-day basis. Celebrities use the app as a medium of connecting with their fans through constant live sessions or by posting fun lip sync, content based dance, videos, and more. Many of the people rose to fame by presenting their dance and acting videos. While some don't support the ban of the TikTok app, there are quite a lot of celebrities who have come forward and supported the ban of application in India. The celebs reacted to the big decision made by the government. Actor Karanveer Bora had even posted a video showing he bans the app even before the government announced the ban. Bigg Boss 13 winner Siddharth Shukla shared how he never was a part of the app but is happy with the ban. Check out how other tele-celebrities reacted to the ban of the TikTok app. Rashmi Desai posted a video on Instagram and quotes hashtag let's be united, hashtag India, hashtag proud Indian, hashtag support India, hashtag this too shall pass. Kamya Shalap also tweeted saying superb @PMO India, excellent news, hashtag Jai Hind, hashtag boycott Chinese products, hashtag boycott Chinese apps. Nia Sharma also tweets saying thank you for saving our country. This virus named TikTok should never be allowed again. Well, some Bollywood stars like Vishal Dadlani was not happy with the ban of TikTok. Vishal Dadlani tweets banning apps is to China what Tali/Diyas were to coronavirus. Also, Farah Khan was against the ban of TikTok. She tweets China changing maps, India banning apps. She further says, if we are to compete with the world's largest manufacturer, we better be well equipped to do so before we decide to ban everything Chinese, because the fact is that something in everything is made in China. Action without thought will lead to more problems. We need brains, not emotions. Whereas Richa Chadda tweets, we can always uninstall apps. Shom Shasha. Malaika Arora is totally with the ban of the TikTok app. She says, best news I have ever heard in the lockdown. Finally, we will not be subjected to people's ridiculous videos. Meera Diostale says, I just hope all the users of TikTok take this ban positively and not to do anything drastic out of boredom or sadness. Mostly the users are adolescents. I know when things were not looking good, this app was a sigh of relief. But hopefully, we will find new ways of having fun and entertainment soon. Till then, let's take care of each other and fight this together. Shashank Vyas says, I wanted this to happen for months. Youth was not focusing on important things and were just wasting their time on this. Of late, it became a more serious issue as it directly affected our nation and its security. I just hope youngsters understand the importance of this step and don't harm themselves in any way, especially during this lockdown period. Life is above all and there are other means to keep yourself entertained. Sharad Malhotra says, it is a fantastic move. I was never a fan of this application. Honestly, I found it extremely silly and a waste of time. Country is any day our first priority. I hope people look at it as a positive move and respect the decision. Jasmine Bhasan says, our country is our first priority. People are dying at the border. The least we can do is refrain ourselves from making the banning of this app an issue. I know it was just the easiest means of entertainment for the users and their followers, but it had to be done. At least now people will use their time in creating new innovative things. Vijendra Kumeria says, I am very happy for the two reasons. I think it was a waste of time and energy, and the youth of our country was falling prey to this unproductive clip making app. A lot of people started thinking that making TikTok videos is acting. I have seen people standing in the middle of the road making stupid videos risking their life. Another reason is that the government has taken a correct step by banning TikTok and the other apps. I support this decision with what the Chinese are doing with us on the border. Why should we help the economy of a country who is betraying us big time? Anirudh Dave says, no offense to any TikTokers, but I was never on TikTok. I think we can do this for our country. When we download an app, we give them access to photos and data on our mobile. so they get all our information. I never downloaded TikTok, but yes, I started making some videos on an Indian application. I am not endorsing it, but it can definitely be a good start. RIP TikTok. Pranita Pandit says, I am extremely happy that the government has taken this step and implemented it. The banning of 59 Chinese apps is great because then we can make our own apps instead of contributing to the Chinese economy. Avneet Kaur and Siddharth Nigam also supported the ban along with popular creators like Awais Darbar, Riaz Ali, Vishal Pandey, Bhavin Bhanushali, Samiksha Sood and many more. Chinese apps के ban को लेकर mixed responses है. TikTok's representatives say that they are going to meet with the Indian government and state their points and hope to resolve the issues at a positive note. What do you think about the ban of the TikTok app in India? Do tell us in the comment section below. Stay tuned to Telechakkar to know more about your favorite television and Bollywood celebrities.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.